Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth BlueParrott headset. First, make sure your BlueParrott device has sufficient power, ideally a full charge, to prevent interruptions during pairing. Next, activate the headset's pairing mode, usually by holding down a specific button for a few seconds. Finally, prepare your smartphone or tablet to discover new Bluetooth devices. To activate pairing mode on your BlueParrott headset, find the multi-function button, often marked with a phone icon. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the LED indicator light flash blue. This blue flashing light confirms your headset is now discoverable and ready to connect with another device. Now, on your smartphone or tablet, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. Once there, initiate a scan for new devices. You should see BlueParrott appear in the list of available connections. Tap on BlueParrott to select it, and your device will begin the process of establishing a secure connection with your headset. After selecting your headset, you will hear a voice prompt in your BlueParrott saying, "Connected," confirming a successful pairing. The LED indicator light on your headset will also change to a solid blue, indicating a stable connection. If you encounter any issues, simply restart both your BlueParrott and your device, then repeat these straightforward steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.